Hey, hi folks. Yeah, welcome to the Tam-Tam Mania store. Yeah, the one-stop store for your djembe needs. Here you can find anything you need for the djembe player. You're a djembe lover, Tam-Tam Mania is for you. Here you can have a lot of different djembes, a very nice variety. We're specializing in African djembe. These djembe are the best on the market. One of the questions that many folks ask when they come here is, how do I select the best djembe for me? How do I choose my djembe, and how do I choose the sound and the size? So I will try to answer this question today. The first thing you have to see is there is different heights for djembes. So this djembe is approximately 24.5 inch high, which for me is very good, because when I'm sitting on a chair and I'm putting the djembe like this between my legs, if I'm putting my arm down on the djembe, you will see that my arm is very much like 100 degrees pretty much, and I'm relaxed. If the djembe is too low, I will have to bend down like this to reach the djembe base. If the djembe is too high, I'm gonna have to put my arms like this, and here it's gonna hurt. So this djembe, 24.5 inches high, is a very good size for a player like me. So I measure 5'5", and this is perfect djembe. The other thing in a matter of size is what is exactly the width of the skin that I must choose. So one thing that I tell everybody when they come here is, if you put your two hands one aside the other, depending on the dimensions of your hands, you will need a skin on which you can do two bass, one after the other, two real bass. So if the djembe is too small, it doesn't work. This djembe is pretty much 12 inches large, and it's a very good size for me. So when I choose a djembe, I should choose at least a 12-inch. I can have a 13-inch, I can have a 14-inch. The bigger the djembe, the more bass you will get, because